In the previous 2 pages, we used the filter on country to make sure we only considered cars that had been sold. However, the data owner might be interested in finding out whether there are any differences between cars that were sold and cars that were not sold in terms of, for example, net margin or cost. To create a visualization for this question, we first need to create a calculated field that tells us whether a car was sold or not. And we know that the car was not sold if the country associated with it in the data source has a null value, or indeed any of the fields in any table other than cars. Moreover, Tableau contains the function isNull that we can use to determine whether a particular field is null. Thus, to determine whether a car was sold, we can create a new calculated field, and we'll call it sold or not. And we say if is null, and then we take country, but we could have taken any of the fields. Oops. If that is null, then no, the car has not been sold, else yes, the car has been sold, and now we need to end this. So this is the syntax if then else end. And now we have this is sold or not additional dimension. And we can use this dimension, is sold or not. Let's do it the other way around, is sold or not, to see the difference in net margin. Maybe we'll set that to average again. The difference in average net margin between the cars that have not been sold and the cars that have been sold. So again, we can give this a meaningful name, and then give the sheet a more meaningful name as well. And that then completes visualization 4.